Okay, so this is a very short video. I am here again to share something very important with you. Do me a favor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So PM court appeal case is on, right? People are reacting from all over the place. DOS could just sacked media. Emeka Give, for example, is one of them. So we are going to talk about Emeka Give in this video, not live video though. We're going to talk about him. I want to present to you what he says. And one of our sister, shower praises on PM, which I'm gonna, wrap it up with. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is the 8th day of August, 2026. And we are here to do the needful, to keep you updated, to share those things with you. So Emeka Gift Official, like he normally called himself, maybe not call himself, that's what the name he called himself on X, because his voice is hidden, his identity is hidden as well. So I don't know him. Okay. He said, what is wrong with Simon Ekpa's followers? There is a clear inconsistency in the way many of Simon Ekpa's supporters reason, and it deserves to be pointed out. These followers often defend Simon Ekpa's activities as legitimate. They present his actions, statements, and methods as justified and proper. Yet, the moment anyone tries to examine whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had any working relationship with Simon Ekpa, the same people immediately cried out. They cried out, or they said they cried foul. They treat the inquiry as an attempt to blackmail or tarnish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's image. This reaction raises a simple but important question. If you truly believe Simon Ekpa's activities are legitimate, why does the mere suggestion of a possible link with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu provoke such hostility? Why attacking those who seek clarity on the matter? If Ekpa's methods and actions are as rightful as his supporters claim, then he said, then any association with him should not automatically be seen as damaging. The defensive outrage only makes sense if deep down those same supporters recognize that Ekpa's record is criminal. In that case, the insistence on the treatment, insisting on treating every question, they're insisting on treating every question about a Kanu Ekpa connection as blackmail reveals more about their own doubts than about the motives of those asking the question. Consistency demands that if anyone accepts Ekpa's activities as legitimate, one should not treat the possibility of collaboration with him as inherently scandalous. The selective sensitivity on this issue exposes a contradiction that Simon Ekpa's followers have yet to resolve. Family Writer Press International. Now, I don't know the Simon Ekpa's supporter you are referring to. I don't understand what you are trying to say. You see, one thing about US, this class of criminality, is that they don't know, they don't study the environment where they are reporting on or where they are reporting from. They don't study the environment. They don't bother to understand the condition, the circumstances that surround these cases. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria. PM Simon Ekpa is not in Nigeria. There's a reason. If you, Emeka Gift, can also answer this simple question: why is it that if everything is normal, like everything is just right here and there, or wrong here and there, if wrong in Nigeria, it must be wrong in Finland, right? Why is it that it's you that is claiming that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa committed the same offense? Why is it that Mazi Nnamdi is serving 6 years and Kanu is serving lifetime? Everybody in the US, including the American, don't have common sense. That's not the fact. No common sense. You abandon the condition and circumstances of what I trying to say. The treatment that the Nigerian government are giving Mazi Namorokano, is it the same thing that Mazi Samarapa is getting? You that are trying to link it up, what is the connection between Dead Men Squad and Ebube and ESN? You see the reason why no sensible human being that knows what is going on will see all of you and feel like you guys are making sense. Only those that have criminal tendency, like all of you do have, we see what I'm saying and say you are making sense. In actual sense of it, there's no person that we know what is going on after like watching and reading from you, for example. We turn around and say you are making sense. Nobody. Anybody that do that is a criminal. You are connecting Mazi Namorokano to PM just because you want Mazi Namorokano to chop death sentence. Why are people distancing everything like that, like you claim? Because there's no connection. Reason why no connection is because Mazi Namorokano is already in DSS dungeon, where his activities, his phone, everything is being monitored. When PM Samarapa decided to defend Biafra that you guys sold to governor, who actually spearhead or supervised the blackmail, which some of you called, prescribing ESN, prescribing IPOB. After the Eastern governors prescribed the IPOB, what did you people do? You said to negotiate with them and hand over ESN to them. The video is everywhere. I do play it here, in my platform oftentimes. For people to understand, Chikedozie confirm this to be true. It's actually you guys are doing point and kill, killing people because you don't like what people are saying, you don't like the truth, you don't like this exposition to carry on. You want PM Mazi Namorokano. Okay, when did you guys started connecting Mazi Namorokano to PM? I thought he's a Mazi Namorokano don't have anything to do with him. Have you released a press, your press release like you normally do, to say, oh, I was wrong, I apologize for saying that there's no connection? Now you are not trying to say connection because Mazi Namorokano refused to sell ESN like you guys have sold ESN. This connection is the reason why people are not comfortable hearing and listening to you guys yapping from both sides of your mouths. You see, it is not hidden that Nigerian government, in the other hands, are doing selective judgment, buying one person and free the other person. A country that allowed well-known terrorists to be reintegrated, and they reintegrated them and put them, in a top position in the government, and they will be the one to make decision on how to fight another terrorist. What do you expect? Why have you asked yourself why terrorism has not stopped in Nigeria? These are things you need to understand. The same government is the government that you are trying to link Mazi Namorokano to a crime that actually you guys committed. You said that PM Samarapa is the one committed the crime. The same people that told you no, that is not. The same people are saying that you guys are the one committed the crime. I don't understand what you guys actually want. The only thing you guys are looking for is the head of Mazi Namorokano and the head of Samarapa. Why? It is not good, and I don't understand. Is that how you are being trained to go all out and begin to attack people for attacking sake? It doesn't make any sense. For once in your life, can you be human? Can you be human just for once in your life? It is shocking. Anyway, that is up to them because they know what they're doing anyway. They have agents everywhere. Lazuba is the agent. They are working hand in hand. Every Kodike is a PA to Lazuba. So all this thing is not hidden. Now hear this, please. I don't.
I am so happy. Okay, I am so. In fact, I'm not on my unit.
Let's start from beginning.
I am so happy. I am so, in fact, I'm more than my unit. Negoto Shagaga na Finland. Odogwa Adobe again. Odogwa Wubiko Shimire again. Simon Ekpa. Master Simon Ekpa. Master Simon Ekpa. Wubiko Shimire again. Odogu, Kwaman Mapogodo. Odogu Kebonda. Ogidiga. Kagonna, Umbeshire Kana Bororiamba, I go, I putra, why you say, Nam de Cano, Bunage, theatre 100 men. Me give one 50. What was there the other 50? More kicker. If what na legado body movement again. Legada will begin go, huh? Legadin go being Zagaga. Genaga majestically. Where puta? Select doors over. Electron de Popatra may be. Elen de Sawashawano. Dear Nane. Is dog one India, even an Meko Charo, ye umpo, ye hour. Said Japan land. Kahage Messa money, Pakena God. Elena Bunu non Grimunu Japata. Why are you not in the court? Why are you guys hiding? Odogo carry no dogo ne mage. More carry more we mage. Potanini, Yakanani unu mege. Uno ga kweri chana internet. Then orun gbe heji him una boss. Kedebu no. Potanini. Okwere no kuku, okwere no mumenu. Mmanwe jele pota. Mfeka boss. Ijela pota go. Ofeke no si n'ọsọ. Mgbe ọ rụrụ oge Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, ọ pụtara na kọt ọsọ ndị lọya ga-azụtụ n'ike ka m gosikwa ha sị abụ m nwa amụrụ amụ mụzo ya mudo ya pụta ọmụtọshọ the don't know book ịma akwụkwọ ime ọgụ show me where it is written, show me the law. Who is he that can challenge, that can rule? The lion roared. Where are these people? They should come. 7 points. And the Lekune Bendizu Sugarigan. Then the Otaro Passaga Finland. Unagaga Finland. Idiots. The Ofeke. And they Kedebu no. Ihuna Biafra. We must get it. Ihuna Biafra. And you get with it. Simon Ekpa. Ihuna get Simon Ekpa. Ihuna ki Jishayike. Ihuna get one nam the canon nauku. Jishanike. Chineke gano no. And on your guaranono. Ihuna tamne kuyende berune bre. Gunu Baktoga Biafra and Nime Mon Rezoku. Uno gaganu dono gabanu do and uno get with Biafra. The Uruni me. Karabagono, Kahara to be soon, Kahara to go other than Kahagada. Unegwe Hokunishi, Unegwe Hokunilia, O Atala, O Moni Nekume, Jehovah Chinaka Kusuleke Daga, get Gidehanine, 4% or because I have our house in Yoma. Our white bagger, at the hopium, because Ebule here, Harry Ribu, Harry Shama, Harry generation. Oh God, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy here today. And this has given us at least in Ghana how many are that? Oh, and where's the village? I said, and where's the Hakaka Gebe? How many up to the battery? When you crave at Gagia, head digger do flat in the Kuritia, Marigan Internet. No Kugari on your local Kume, and no Kukari. Oh, the line one nonsense sooner than this. I know Koja. Biafra, we are born to stay, to live. It is our identity. Or we hate him and our identity. We cannot deny the fact. You can't intimidate us to deny our identity. It is our identity. Allow us bear our name. We are Biafrans. Oh, Jehovah, Amen. Jehovah, oh, Dogu, odogwu nwoke ukwu nwoke ọma. Ai, thank you, I love you Simon Ekpa, I love you mmadụ Nnamdi Kanu. Ngozi Arabeze nwaanyị ibe m, jisie ike nwa ọma, ịwụkwa agụ nwaanyị jisie n'ike ama ihe nọ gị n'ime. anaghị m esole na-aga otu oche agaga. Anyị ga-alarụ n'udo nke Chineke. Ọ ga-edu anyị, ndị mmụọ ozi nke host of angels ga-edu anyị larụ ala Biafra, and ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma. Ahụkwala na ihe ọma abatala. Ime nke ihe ọma na-abata, otu eke ekwesịghị agbagide okwu ka ha nwee ike gbochie ya, mana agaghị akpochiri ike ka akarịala ha. Ndị ewere ụmụnne sịrị ọnụ m ṅụrịa, ana m agba egwu.